Welcome to Moonshine Wednesdays. So what do we got going on today? Well, today we are going to make, where I'm going to start, but we are going to make a Pina Colada Moonshine. Hey, it's summertime. Yeah, we got to have these good summer drinks for summertime. And you want to please all different kind of people. Hey, I thought Pina Colada Moonshine would do the trick. Okay, so, but first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, so for our Pina Colada Moonshine, we do have one do-ahead. Okay, so what I got here is some sweetened coconut flakes. Okay, so what I need to do is we got to extract the flavor out of that coconut. How are we going to do that? We're going to put it in some shine. Alright, so what I want to do in this jar is I want to put 2 cups. Okay. There's 1 cup. I might even put a little extra. But I didn't pack it that much. There's 2 cups. And just, I'm going to put a little bit extra. There. So, 2 cups of coconut flakes. Alright, and they're just plain old sweetened coconut flakes. Alright? So like I said, this is a do-head. We just want to fill the jar up. I'm using some 100 proof shine. We're going to fill this jar up. Which is, ooh. Alright, it almost took that whole quart. Alright. We'll fill that up. What we're going to do is we'll leave that in there 3 or 4 days. Right? And every once in a while just give it a little shake when you walk by it. And you'll see, I mean, it's already started. You can see that shine is turning nice and white. And what's going to end up happening is we will end up getting, I'm going to say like a crust on top. What it is, it's going to be the fats that come out of that coconut. Will float to the top. And then what we'll do, I think I can squeeze the rest of that in there. And what we'll do is, we'll put it through some coffee, first the strainer, then some coffee filters, just to clean it up. Alright. And then we'll move on to the next step. Alright. Okay, so I'll be back in 3 or 4 days, and then we'll go and finish this up. And then it'll be ready. Dang, this should make 2 quarts of Pina Colada Moonshine. When I'm done, it should make about 2 quarts. So if you have a gathering, that'll be perfect, right? But meanwhile, what you can do to really help us out, and I'll tell you, it's so easy, and you'd be surprised, I've said it a million times, how much it helps us. But for me to keep coming out with the content, this one thing I could really get help with, hit that subscribe button down there, would you please? Alright. We'll see you in, let's say 4 days. And we're going to finish this up, okay? I'm back. Let's finish up this Pina Colada Moonshine. Alright, so if you notice, first thing we did is there's our coconut. So what we want to do is strain all that coconut out. So I got, a strainer in a cup. We're going to try and strain that out. Okay, so while that's going on, let that go for a couple minutes. Alright, so we're going to get two quart jars, and I want to put a 1/4 cup of sugar in each one. Just a 1/4 cup of sugar in each one. See, that's still draining. Alright, let me give that a couple minutes. I just want to taste the coconut though. Very bland tasting now. I think we got all the flavor out of it. Okay. Let me stick this over here for now. Get that out of the way. Alright. So what we want to do is we want to divide this up between the 2 quart jars. Look how white that is. We'll just divide that up. Alright. So then what we want to do, we're going to fill it off, top it off with the pineapple juice. Okay? I mean, how much more simple can you get, right? Okay, let me see if I can top this off without spilling it. Alright, now put the lids on this. I got a little bit left over. Now I put a 1/4 cup of sugar. If you want to adjust that up or down, that's fine. But we just want to mix that all up. Let's give it a try. Smell pineapple-y. Oh. This is warm. Put that over ice, it's going to be fantastic. Damn, that's good. Woo! Pina Colada Moonshine. That one I would redo again anytime. Alright. Thanks for coming by this Wednesday. I hope you enjoy this. I guess the last thing I got to say, well, besides Happy Wednesday, would be, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. Oh, that's good.